Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces a range of updates designed to enhance your smartphone experience with win-win new features. According to the latest available data, the most innovative future flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's top new upgrades will be a huge win for power users. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is poised to redefine the flagship smartphone market. From advanced camera technology to faster charging and smarter AI integration, Samsung S26 Ultra is designed with power users and tech enthusiasts in mind. It combines innovative hardware, enhanced efficiency, and a refined design. From next-level performance to extended battery life, the Galaxy S26 Ultra promises to deliver a superior user experience, setting a new benchmark for non-foldable smartphones. This device is not just an upgrade, it represents a thoughtful evolution in real smartphone technology. At the core of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will run the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, a powerhouse built using TSMC's advanced manufacturing process. This chip delivers significant improvements over its predecessor. Enhanced energy efficiency, making sure of longer battery life even during intensive use. In addition, the Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces LPDDR5X RAM, a significant upgrade that enhances multitasking capabilities. Data transfer speeds of up to 10.7 Gbps, making it 11 to 12% faster than the Galaxy S25 Ultra's RAM. A 20% improvement in power efficiency, reducing energy consumption during heavy use. Furthermore, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will support 8K video recording at higher frame rates, allowing professional-grade video quality. And the most important, battery life designed for all-day use. Battery efficiency is a standout feature of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, making sure that the device keeps up with the demands of modern users. Thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2's power-saving capabilities and Samsung's optimized power management, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra represents a significant leap forward in smartphone technology. With its powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, faster DDR5X RAM, and a host of performance and design enhancements, it caters to the needs of power users, content creators, and tech enthusiasts alike. The device's improved battery efficiency and refined design further solidify its position as a standout option in the competitive smartphone market. The Galaxy S26 Ultra sets a new standard for what's possible in 2025. It is expected that the new Galaxy S26 line will launch early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Stay blessed. Peace out.